In this video, I'll show you how to combine photos together on iPhone. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. I'm going to show you how you can be able to achieve this as well. So what you need to do, come on in from your app library, type in shortcuts. So it's going to open up, tap on all shortcuts. Tap on this plus icon. Rename your folder. I can just rename it, let me say combined projects. Combined projects. I'll click on done. Select actions. Come on here, type in select photos. So this is it. Tap on it. Tap on this drop down. Tap on select multiple. Once you're done, tap on search actions as well again. Type in combined images. So this is it. So it's going to come out. You're going to be able to see horizontal. Tap on it. Change it to in a grid. So what you need to do now, tap on save to photos from these search actions. So this is it. So once you're done, tap on this done. You're going to be able to create a shortcut you can be able to use to do this. So I'm going to select 4 images now and I'm going to post it inside here. So what you need to So I have added 4 photos here. So I'm going to go to my gallery and see what we just created. If you followed my instructions, you're going to be able to achieve the same results as well. So right here, this was what we achieved. So everything I showed you guys in this video worked out perfectly well. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the very next video.